media personality Toke Makinwa has said she was heartbroken when she discovered her estranged husband, Monyeazo Abebe, had impregnated his ex-girlfriend. According to Toke, she said she discovered after 9 months, stating that her job was her only consolation and she still went to work even with the burden on her mind. She made this known via her YouTube vlog series, Toke Moments. Famous Nigerian presenter Monyeazo Abebe, popularly known as Moet Abebe, has revealed the reason behind her failed engagement. Moet said she was glad she did not end up getting married to her ex-fiancé because the relationship was abusive. This was disclosed in a chat with Chud Jidonwo. Guinness Book of World Record holder for longest hours of non-stop cooking, Hilda Bassi, has sparked reactions online after a video showed herself alongside influencer Enioluwa eating dog meat. Fans pointed out the absurdity, stating that dogs are pets and not a source for meat. Is eating dog meat wrong?